If you're prepping for your PMP exam, we've all seen them, right? Those questions that feel like they're specifically designed to trip you up. Well, today we are going to tackle one of the most common types. Let's crack the code on attribute sampling. All right, first things first, let's put the actual challenge right in front of us. This is the kind of thing you're going to see on exam day, and breaking it down correctly is everything. Okay, here's the question. Now, the biggest clues are hiding in plain sight. Perform attribute sampling, and verify they meet customer requirements. The scenario itself is pretty straightforward. You've got 100 units, and they need a quality check. And here are our 4 choices. Just take a quick scan. Does one of them immediately jump out at you? Well, before you lock in that answer, let's make absolutely sure we have the foundation to pick the right one with 100% confidence. Before we even touch those options, we have to be crystal clear on what attribute sampling actually is. You know, this is where most people get tripped up. They just kind of guess without knowing the core concept. So let's lock that in right now. So here it is, the textbook definition. The key phrases to burn into your brain are presence or absence and of some characteristic. Really, it's just a binary check. It's either there or it isn't. It passes or it fails. There is no maybe, no in between. To make that really stick, let's use a simple analogy. Imagine you're checking a big crate of apples. Your job isn't to count how many apples are in there. Nope. Your job is to pick up each one and inspect it for a single quality. Is there a bruise? Yes or no? That super simple pass-fail test, that is attribute sampling in a nutshell. Perfect. Now that we have that simple definition locked in, we can go back to our options and start eliminating the wrong answers. Let's put on our detective hats. Okay, let's start with option A. Ensure that the correct number of units was produced. Now think back to our apple crate. Were we counting the apples? Absolutely not. We were checking their quality. Option A is all about quantity, but attribute sampling is always about the quality and conformance of an item. So A is definitely out. All right, next up, option B. Conduct multi-criteria decision analysis. This sounds really complex and official, doesn't it? But it's just a tool for making choices, not for inspection. You use it to pick between 2 vendors or to choose a project strategy. It's for weighing alternatives, not checking physical deliverables. So B is gone. And that leaves option D, review the lessons learned register. This is a classic project management activity for sure, but it has absolutely nothing to do with inspecting a physical product. That's about looking backward at documents to see what you can learn. Attribute sampling is about looking at the product in your hands right now. 2 totally different worlds. So just by using the process of elimination, we've totally cleared the field. We've ruled out counting things, we've ruled out decision-making tools, and we've ruled out document reviews. That can only leave one logical choice left standing. And there it is. The correct answer has to be C. The team needs to check the existence of a specific characteristic in each sample unit. I mean, it's direct, it's about a hands-on quality inspection, and it fits our definition to a T. And here, this is the final confirmation, the aha moment. Just look at how the wording in answer C directly mirrors the official definition. Check the existence of a specific characteristic. It's just another way of saying noting the presence or absence of some characteristic. It is a perfect match. So, getting this one question right is great, but that's not the real prize here. The goal is to build a mental model so you can nail any question like this. Let's distill this down into a powerful takeaway you can use on exam day. So from now on, whenever you see a quality control question, just run this quick mental checklist. First, does it sound like a simple pass or fail? A yes or no check. Second, is it focused on just one specific trait? And third, is it about conformance to a standard, not just counting stuff? If you're nodding yes to these, you are almost certainly looking at an attribute sampling question. And there you have it. We took a tricky PMP question, we broke down the concept behind it, and we built a repeatable strategy to solve it every single time. You've just mastered one more key tool for your PMP toolkit. The only question left is, which one are you going to tackle next?